Los Angeles, CA. Kim Kardashian has once again set social media ablaze with her latest TikTok post, where she playfully declared, "Who needs a boyfriend when I've got a Tesla robot?"
What should we do?
The clip, shared with her 12.3 million TikTok followers, showcases the reality star and entrepreneur interacting with Tesla's highly advanced humanoid robot. In the video, Kim is seen laughing as the robot serves her a cup of coffee and assists with daily chores around her luxurious mansion. The Tesla bot, also known as Optimus, has been a growing sensation since its initial reveal by Tesla Inc., garnering attention for its futuristic design and practical capabilities. Kim's lighthearted caption and her demonstration of the robot's functionality immediately sparked a frenzy of reactions. Fans flooded the comments, saying things like, "Queen Kim doesn't need a man when she has tech on her side," and "Elon Musk better give Kim a brand deal after this." The TikTok has already racked up over 5 million views in just 24 hours, with hashtags like Tesla Robot and Kim Kardashian trending worldwide. Tesla CEO Elon Musk even chimed in on Twitter, writing, "Looks like Optimus has found a new fan."
Paper, scissors?
As the Tesla bot continues to gain popularity for its sleek AI-powered assistance, Kim's endorsement, intentional or not, could signal a wave of interest in the tech world. Whether this is the beginning of a new partnership between Kardashian and Tesla, or just a fun social media moment, one thing is clear: Kim knows how to keep herself at the center of trending conversations. For now, fans can only speculate whether the Tesla bot is a new staple in her home, or a hint at a bigger collaboration in the works. Either way, Kim Kardashian continues to prove that she's always ahead of the curve, even when it comes to dating substitutes.